Okay, so for today's review, we're going to play a fun game that reviews some of the tricky words that we've already learned. This game is called Tap the Word. So what you're going to do is you're going to see all these tricky words I have here on the screen. Now they can be in blue or they can be in black. They're all over the screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call out one of those tricky words. I'm going to say one of them. And you are going to use your finger and you're going to tap that word on your screen. So let's practice one. So if I said she, you would find the word she and tap it. So right now I'm kind of circling that word she, and you're going to tap it. So we'll start slow, and then I might pick up the pace a little bit and give you a little challenge. Okay? All right, let's try this. All right, are you ready? First word I'm calling out is be. Did you find it? Here it is over here. Next word, the. Did you find it? Way up here in the corner. How about was? Ah, I went to the other side of the screen, didn't I? Over here. How about the word he? Yes, way up here. Next word, a or a. Yes, way up here. Next word, we. Way down here. Good job, you guys. Are you getting it? Next word, be. Yes. How about of? Way over here. How about me? Excellent. Way up here. Okay, let's do a little bit of a challenge. Now we've gone through all the tricky words and I've kind of used my cursor to show you where they are after you had a chance. So let's pick up the pace a little bit. Let's see who can rise to the challenge. Are we ready? If you can't, it's a-okay. Just do your best. Here we go. He, she, of, we, was, the, be, a or he. All right, now I'm going to go even faster. One last try before we move on. And this time I'm not going to use my cursor. Do your best. Ready? Me, we, the, she, was, or a, he, of, be. Awesome. I hope you guys worked really hard at that. I'm curious, can you spot a pattern that I used with the coloring of my words? So some words I put in blue, some words I put in black. I'm wondering if you can notice what pattern I have or why I might have done that. If you notice, all of these tricky words end in E, right? That E is at the end, says its name. So me, he, she, be, we all have that same E at the end, just for fun. All right, so here's the next thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna take a deep dive or a look into these 4 tricky words, okay? And we're gonna talk about why these words are tricky. Okay, so we're going to read these cards first. The first one says to. Second card says do. Third card says down. And the fourth card says how. So let's go all the way to the top and take a look at this first card, and it says to. Now, with tricky words, a lot of times tricky words really just don't follow the rules, but that doesn't mean that all the sounds don't follow the rules, just some of the sounds don't follow the rules. So we're going to take a look and see which sounds are following the rules and which sounds aren't, and that's the tricky part of the word, okay? So for this first word, I told you it's to. The T in to does follow the rules. It makes the T sound, doesn't it? Yes. This O right here, that's the tricky part of that word. It doesn't say O or ah, right? At the end of the word, it says ooh. So That O is that tricky part of this word, and it says oo. Now, the second word we have is do. Are you noticing similarities between these two cards? What can you tell me? What part is not tricky in the word do? If you said the D, you're right, because that does follow the rules. It says D. It's this O that doesn't follow the rules, and it says oo, just like to, right? Both of these, the O's in both of these words make that oo sound. Okay, that's the tricky part. All right, so let's take a look at these last two words. So this word right here is down. Now the D in D, or the D in D does follow the rules. It says D. And this last letter, the N, also follows the rules. It says N. So D, N. Those parts follow the rules. It's this middle part, this OW, that doesn't necessarily follow the rules. And it says ow. See if you can find the same pattern. This word is how. What part follows the rules? Yes, the H follows the rules. It says h. And the OW does not follow the rules. It says ow. So again, the OW in down and the OW in how make that ow sound. Do you remember that ow sound from first grade, right? Here's a fun fact, second graders. Later on in the year, you are going to learn that this OW can also, you're going to learn that team makes that ow sound as well. But right now, we know that that's kind of a tricky part of that word, okay? All right, boys and girls, you did a great job. I do have a link to a fun video on tricky words that you can click on. It's right below this video. You can click on it and sing along to some tricky words. All right, see you later.